You're happy about getting 1 million views, but your bank account still shows $0? Many people get thousands of views and still don't make a single sale. At the same time, others with only a few followers are making sales every day. Why? Because views grab attention, but trust generates sales. Viral content gets watched and forgotten. Trust-building content turns viewers into customers. 100 people who trust you are worth more than 1 million people who watch and scroll away. Stop chasing numbers and start building trust. Want an account that generates sales, not just views? Link in bio.